Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make fenugreek cream easily at home. This fenugreek cream is very easy to prepare and is highly effective in removing your acne scars, dark spots and pigmentation problem. It also helps in skin lightening and whitening and will also moisturize and deeply hydrate your skin. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly gonna need fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have an innumerable benefits for your skin. It have anti-aging effects, it helps in removing your pigmentation and acne scars and dark spots. It also cures your acne and makes your skin spotless. And it also works really great in moisturizing and hydrating your dull and dry skin. So now let's see how to prepare this highly effective and homemade fenugreek seed cream. So to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 1 to 2 teaspoon fenugreek seeds in a clean bowl. After that, you have to add 4 to 5 tablespoon rose water in it, or you can also use the normal water. And you just need to soak these seeds overnight in rose water or in normal water. So after soaking the seeds overnight, now your fenugreek seeds will look like this. And now you have to put the soaked fenugreek seeds in the blending or a grinding jar along with the water in which it's soaked in. And now blend everything really nicely to make a smooth and a little runny paste. And once it's nicely blended, your fenugreek paste is ready and it will look like this. And this paste should be smooth and should be of a little thin consistency. So now we will strain this paste with the help of a strainer, or you can even use a cheesecloth to strain this mixture. And we are straining this mixture just to take out the fine fenugreek paste out of it. And after straining this mixture, your fine fenugreek paste is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this fine paste should be smooth, creamy and fluffy, like I'm showing you in the video. So now let's prepare this homemade fenugreek cream. And for that, you firstly have to take this fine, creamy and fluffy fenugreek fine paste in a clean bowl. After that, you have to squeeze half lemon in it. And after squeezing the lemon, just mix both these ingredients really well so that they both combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And once both these ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's time to add the next ingredient, which is the turmeric powder. And you just have to add about a pinch of turmeric powder in it. And then again mix all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth paste. And after mixing them, now you have to add half a teaspoon sweet almond oil in it. And if you don't have the sweet almond oil, you can also use the olive oil. After adding the sweet almond oil, now you have to add 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil in it, or you can even add 3 to 4 vitamin E capsules in it. And now lastly, you have to add half a teaspoon honey in it. But this ingredient is optional. If you like honey, then add it. But if you don't like it or you don't have it, just skip it. And after adding all these ingredients, just mix everything really well to make a smooth, creamy and a fluffy cream. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade and highly effective fenugreek cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be smooth, creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this homemade fenugreek cream. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. this Fenugreek Cream is highly effective and works best for almost all skin types. It has anti-aging effects which helps in completely removing your fine lines, wrinkles and sagging skin, and also helps in removing your dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation problem completely from your skin within few days. This cream is also best for the people who are suffering from acne or acne scars, as this cream have antibacterial and inflammatory properties which helps in fighting against acne and makes your skin clear and spotless. It also has skin lightening and whitening properties in it, as it has all the natural ingredients which lightens and whitens your skin complexion and make it more fairer, glowing and radiant. And it also works really great in moisturizing and hydrating your skin from deep inside and makes your skin soft, supple, fair and spotless. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin. And then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get radiant, glowing, spotless and younger looking skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.